Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. Today's tutorial is going to cover an interesting variation to our regular two-color spool knitting. This one has an incredibly square shape, probably the squarest of any braid or sinnet that I have seen so far. It has a distinct pattern, which is not completely symmetrical, and personally, I really like it. Just to compare, here is my regular two-color spool knitting, and here is today's variation. I think that the difference in the pattern is quite evident. To do our knitting, we're going to need a 4-peg knitting spool, as well as 2 cords, preferably in different colors. For 550 paracord, the cord usage is about a foot of each of our cords for an inch of our knitting. So for a foot of knitting, which is 12 inches, we're going to need 12 feet in each of our cords. The key to this pattern is in the setup process. The knitting is exactly the same as with your regular two-color spool knitting. We grab our first cord and we attach it onto our spool the regular way. We pass the bottom strand at the top to the center like this. Then we rotate our spool clockwise like this. We grab our second cord, again attach it the regular way. Again, pass the bottom strand at the top to the center. This is our initial setup. The knitting is now done the usual two-color way. So always passing the bottom strand at the top, then rotating, passing the bottom strand again at the top, rotating, passing the bottom one over the top, doing this for quite a while. Now for me, this process is quite comfortable. You can use a tool if you prefer to not use your hands. Now, sometimes your cords get a bit tangled up, so straighten them out, continue. To finish up and secure your knitting, simply remove your knitting off of your spool. Then pass the ends through both loops of the same color. Then stretch out your knitting. And again, we have an extremely square-shaped knitting with a beautiful pattern. So guys, this concludes our tutorial. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my future videos as well.